Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We have something a little bit different for you today. I have had so many people ask if they could come along to a parts search. Yeah, so we're gonna go salvaging today. I'm taking my beautiful and very, very clean, look at that, yes, Cadillac Escalade, because I am that bougie kind of guy. And we're going to go looking for some parts for the Wonder Wagon and the Rat Wagon. That's what I've named it, the Rat Wagon, because I haven't got it started yet and I need some parts before it's going to start. That is a backbone to something that got dragged in here and eaten. Please be dead, please be dead. Please. Oh, I smashed his brain. Yeah, we got rain. Hunt for the second vehicle has taken us to...
What are you gonna say?
It's just too much for me to screw out.
What do you think about this car, Mike?
Mikey likes.
You like it?
Mikey likes.
I'm in the car.
First off, let me turn off the power to my amazing sound system right there. Can you hear the exhaust? Somebody went to the muffler shop and they welded up the slice and dice that was underneath the car. Someone tried to steal the catalytic converter, and we have it all fixed and it is sounding so much better. I got to find some parts for this car too. I think this is my top priority right now. I'm thinking about ordering seats. There is a seller on eBay who sells seats and I think they look pretty good. If you purchase the seats from that person on eBay, let me know if they are legitimate or not, or if they're crap. The back seats are okay. It just needs a good cleaning, a carpet cleaning, a new headliner, and 2 front seats, and I'll be happy with it. Stuff like this, I can fix. It's not a big deal at all, okay? But it's just so gross. It's really, really gross. So let's head to North Tulsa. We have 4 or 5 different salvage yards now. We're gonna go to, it's not my favorite, but I think it's the cheapest in town. This is a first. We're going 60, folks, and my microphone has already died, so I apologize for the audio. But yeah, for having no brakes, terrible suspension problems, we're kind of cruising in 60. The hood is shaking a little bit, and the back half of the car is a little floaty. Remember, we had that very nice gentleman who gave me the front struts. I got to find some back shocks, because the back of the car is so floaty, it's crazy. But I am listening to Sirius XM. The previous owner never canceled her subscription, so we're just gonna enjoy the heat as long as we can. All right, we're back when we arrive. Well, that was a waste of time. They had the car listed as a 95 and it was a 96, the 96 E-Class. No work for the 95 E-Class. So we're going to my second place right here. This is actually my favorite. It's new. It's AESOP, I think, Auto Parts. And they have everything you need. Very reasonably priced. And it's a new yard and they are super nice there. The LKQ is just so overpriced these days. Some of the parts you can buy new for what they charge used. So we're going to power over there. It's in another part of Tulsa, and hopefully they have the car listed as a 95. We'll find out. Well, location number 2 was a bust, but location 3, yeah, we found us an old Mercedes. This is a 91. So I'm just hoping maybe there are some parts on here that I could use that might still be good. I see a connector there that I could use, a connector there that I could use. This is the straight 6. So not all of this is gonna work, but I do need this. I absolutely need that, I think. And probably that. And I might even get lucky and have some computers under here that might just have the same number on them. Oh, they look different. Yeah, that looks different. We'll have to check, but I don't think it's going to be the same. And this guy might work. That one might just work. So let's look at the numbers. I took pictures and we'll try to get these all off. Thank you for your service. We have lots of little bits and pieces. We have a combination relay right here. We have a couple of vacuum hoses, and I went ahead and got the weather stripping for the driver's door to see if it's the same, because the deer or the rat or whatever had lunch on the rat wagon. So we'll see if we can replace this. If not, that's all right, no big deal. We've made it back home, and we've made a bit of a discovery, and we have some good news. Because I'm spending so much time on the Wonder Wagon and the Rat Wagon, I need more shrink wrap. I've gone through one of these, all right? So I have more, so we can continue to do the wiring, but I gotta show you what we've discovered here. All right, let me turn the camera around and I will show you. Mama and Papa Duck do say hello. We have removed the cover for the box right there, okay? And we have the old combination relay out because my wiper doesn't work. Well, the wiper works, the turn signal and the hazards and everything do not work. This is the new one, well, new to us anyway, okay? Old, new. And they look to be almost the same except for the 01 and the 00 right there. But I think this is gonna work. So let me put this one, you can sit over here on the Jaguar, and I'm gonna plug you in right here. And then I wanna show you what else I have discovered, okay? I have 2 additional relays and both of the fuses were burned. Okay, I have a green one and a blue one. Look at that, it is burned. So basically, relay B and C. B is like the heated mirrors and some other things, and then C is the radio antenna, which does not work. Okay, this is what it looks like. I think I might need a new one of these. We'll put a fuse in here just to see if it works. And the fuse is blown in this one too. Okay, so it's green in the back, blue in the front, but we'll replace the fuses here, plug them in, turn on the car, watch the fuses blow again, and then we'll see if I have a turn signal and all kinds of things because of my new combo relay. We now have new combination relay installed. We have relay B and C installed. C is has a little higher fuse. I can't find a 2, so I put a 5 in there. Hopefully I don't go up in flames. So we're just gonna give her power. We're not gonna start her. And we're gonna see if I have a turn signal. Please let me have a turn signal. Let's try this one. Well, it's kind of freaking out. Taylor. Shh, we have to be quiet now. Okay, here we go. Let's do the right one. Well, let's see what's happening. It's kind of freaking out. So I don't have that turn signal, but I have one up front. Okay, that's progress. I bet it's the same for the back. What do you think? Here we go. To the right, to the right, to the right. Oh, we do there. Okay, that's good. And this is good. Oh, we have turn signalage and the antenna. I didn't even think about the antenna. Look, it's up for the first time. Woo! We have an antenna. Okay. So I need a new bulb. I need to get rid of this marking too. And I need another bulb, which is easy because I have lots of them all over the place. So let me replace the bulb. This is all for the Ratmobile, and we'll get to work on that coming up next. You ready? You listening to the racers? Yeah, me too. Well, we found one, and she's blinking like she's never blinked before. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So look at all the light bulbs and everything I have. I don't throw stuff away, and there's a reason why, because it comes up again. You'll need it again. This is actually poison for a rat. They don't like it. It didn't work, so I could probably throw this away. I think I will. I'll throw this away, but I'm keeping my little collection of bulbs. Well, I'm sorry the video was kind of lame, if I have to be honest. You're not lame. You're gorgeous, baby. Yeah, go frolic. That's a good word. I haven't used that in a long time. Anyway, if you're wondering why I've released so many bike videos and walk-around videos, is because that little SOB is taking up all of my time. I want to get the wiring almost finished, and then I'm going to give her power, and we'll you know, see if she's going to run or drive, but I don't want her to go up in flames before I have a chance to see if she runs or not. So I've literally been spending 3, 4, 5 hours a day wiring, and my little fingers are just nubs right now. So we'll get that video out very, very soon. We'll have more on this. Yep, my second wagon, the Wonder Wagon. And of course, we have the Escalade. We got to get that thing cleaned up, and I looked into changing some of the fluids. But the transmission fluid is going to be a lot of fun. You need 2 people to do that. And I don't trust Lola behind the wheel just yet. Maybe after she passes driver's ed, but not right now, I don't. And those 2 ducks, where'd they go? They're just lame. They're just lame ducks right there playing in the grass. So we will have another video very, very soon. I have the BMW in the garage right there. You can see it. I have to work on Janice, and there's other videos. But I've just spent so much time on that girl, and she's driving me crazy. So stay tuned is what I'm saying, because I have lots and lots of videos in the pipeline. I just got to finish one of them so I can share that with you. All right? So thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I'm inching and inching and inching closer to 50,000 subscribers, which would be fantastic. Somebody definitely needs a haircut. And I think that's going to wrap it up for the video. Lola, you want to come here and say goodbye? Come on. There you go. Come here. Here you go, Mama. Here we go. Oh, for all your fans out there, say goodbye. We'll see ya. We'll see ya, okay? Yeah, she's a good girl. She's a good girl. We'll see you again soon, folks. Say goodbye. Goodbye. All right.